Imagine fighting with these or kicking someone with these. It's an aggressive shoe.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
Hello everybody out there, how's it going? Sound from Complex Ambition, giving you another episode of Sound Sneakers. So today I'm gonna bring you another unboxing and reaction and reviewing of a shoe, brand new shoe. I got my hands on them early. Over here at Sneaker Junkies, they did an early release to this shoe, exclusive shoe. So Adidas is launching a new model for the summertime. The model is similar to the Falcon Dorf I've heard of, that they've done in the past, in the 80s, 90s, Adidas model. Kind of like a dad shoe type of vibe. Kind of playing off of the trend that's happening right now after the 350 launch and all these shoes that's been going on. Kind of more of like a slimmer dad shoe, runner shoe, light shoe. So now we have this colorway that is going to be part of the Dragon Ball Z collection. So Adidas has been rumored for about a year now, maybe a little bit over, to do a Dragon Ball Z collection. And we have an orange YUNG-1, the new model, representing, I guess, Frasier from the Dragon Ball Z. That's that orange, Dragon Ball Z orange, with a little bit of the purple hint and the yellow hint. So we're gonna get into it, man. I'm excited for these. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my hands on a size 8 that I wanted to keep for myself. So, but I did get my hands on a whole bunch of them. Here are a couple photos that I took. As you can see, I got my hands on 7 pairs in total, including the navy hit red orange colorway, which I'm going to be reacting to separately, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit of them right now during this video. But here we have it, man. Let's get into the unboxing of the orange. Regular Adidas box, no special boxing with these. Traditional trefoil logo and stuff, all that. This is one of the 5 pairs that I have in this colorway. I have a 9.5 right here. I have a 10, 10.5, 12, and 13. DM me at complexambition.supply, Instagram. Let's get into these, man. Whew! Regular wrapping, regular white wrapping. Here we have it. The YUNG-1 orange Frieza, Dragon Ball Z. I'm gonna give you guys closer shots soon, but man, let's address it first and foremost. I mean, if you guys are familiar with the Adidas EQT, the equipments, they have different models of them, but the basic general release model, these are very similar to them. You know what I'm saying, in my opinion. Just by looking at these, you know what I'm saying, the EQTs have these little spots and patches right here, little spacing. And these definitely have that. If you guys are Dragon Ball Z fans and stuff like that, this is definitely a shoe I would recommend. Aside from that, man, these on feet look crazy. These look crazy. Let me get them up close shots, I promise. There you guys have it. Here's the sole. As I said, like a bulky dad shoe sole. A bit of a lighter orange than the actual shoe's orange. You know. Kind of like a tiger stripe vibe. That's the vibe you get with these when you see them in person, especially. Ooh, let the sun hit him real quick. The only way you wouldn't be able to like these is if you don't like bright colors on your shoes. But man, as you can see, the torsion at the bottom. They do this a lot with all the Adidas runners, the real runners. You know what I'm saying? Not with the this is different than the Boost. This is not no Yeezy. My favorite thing personally is the actual logo on the tongue, the trefoil. The way it looks, man, you guys gotta see this. I'm gonna give the highlight photo. Looks like a classic Adidas feel, like a classic old Adidas tennis shoe. And that's the vibe you get with these, man. They definitely, in my opinion, hit a homer with this one. This idea, this concept, giving Nike a run for his money. Because Nike's been pulling out only heat. Only heat. And if you're a real sneaker fan, you can honestly admit that, man. Whew. Regular laces, you know what I'm saying? In my opinion, they could have done a better job on the laces. Pretty a bit too plain, too bland and regular. No special, nothing. Even the way they feel a little bit dimsy. But hey, man, fuck it. It's a cheap shoe to $120 retail, but it's reselling for a good amount of money. 300 plus, because like I said, these are definitely early release, and when they do release, I'm pretty sure they're still gonna resell for at least 180-ish, something around there, because as they should, man. This is a good ass shoe. June 20th, I believe, or July 20th, one of those dates. Inside sole, as you can see, regular Adidas sole. They do this with like the gazelles, stuff like that. But there you have it, man. Those are the freezes, the young ones. I do have the other colorway, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Had to get these both out, have them in hand. It's like a vibe. Imagine fighting with these or kicking someone with these. It's an aggressive shoe. It's an aggressive shoe. It just looks like animalistic. Like, I'm not even sure if that's a word, but you get the point. Like tigers and lions and shit like that. Here's the red, navy, blue one. This one is also early release. This one's a size 12. I have a size 12 and 13 available if you guys are interested. Frieza's Dragon Ball Z collection. You let me know if you guys are a fan of these. Comment down below. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos and reactions coming soon. Once Drake starts that added online, it's gonna have to happen unless the contract is canceled. Whatever Drake's doing now, because of Pusha T's ass fucking up the rollout. That's fucking hilarious what's happening over there. If you guys are interested in all that stuff, watch our videos to that. You know what I'm saying? Story added on, out now. Top right button, if you're on your laptop. But man, I hope to see more people with these soon. I'm surprised Kanye doesn't wear more of these himself, more Adidas, separate Adidas he used to before when he was starting the whole Adidas line that he has now with Yeezy. But imagine Kanye in these, man. This is definitely a shoe I feel like he can wear. He can pull it off. Anyone in Adidas, kind of like a Pusha T vibe with the EQTs, like I stated earlier. But man, comment down below. Are you with, for, against? Are you for the Dragon Ball Z collection, just not this pair right here? You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if this is the first installment. I think it was another shoe that released previous to this. But if this is the first installment, then there you have it, guys. Hell of an installment. I saw a whole bunch of them that are part of the installment that I'm not a fan of. But these get a W from me and a thumbs up. So you guys already know. Until next time. Sound!
So if you rebuke me for working with someone else on a couple of V's, what do you really think of the nigga that's making your beats? I've done things